I can definitely tell you that sleeping for 5 hours feels much better than sleeping for 3 hours. I feel so refreshed. Good morning. I haven't seen it from my office that it's snowing. Nice. Aww, that looks like Christmas. Tiny little snowflakes. Nice. Yeah, the whole day has passed. I haven't even looked outside. We did have the window, and I haven't looked outside. So, oh, some weird movie poster with Robert Pattinson. I feel like that guy tries to break out of that Edward Cullen image of him doing like anything that is very much different from the vampire he played when he was young. Okay, going home. Talk to you later. it's red now, which is totally normal. But wow, it worked. This one was like the full facelift. It's like I know this side is more problematic than this one. But wow. Like a little bit more like this. And it would be amazing. Wow. But this one is good. Oh, I really have everything red after red, but yeah, it's like you have to wait till it goes away. Here you go. Okay. What can I tell you? That apparently everybody I know got a message that there will be a snowstorm. I got nothing. Apparently those weather folks, they were like, well, she never takes it seriously, so let's just not bother and not even send her anything. And probably that's why it was such a surprise for me when I left work today that it was actually snowing. Now I can hear the wind. There is like a really strong wind. My bosses were very lucky today because they, like in the evening, they had a flight to Atlanta because, right, we have an event next week, so they flew in to sit the event. We're sitting the event tomorrow. That means basically assigning people seats and tables, like who will be. And their flight was in the evening, but they were lucky to catch an earlier flight because with this weather, I don't know. I mean, I remember I flew out in a crazy snowstorm. It was like 5 hours delayed, but still, I did fly out. But that was like a huge plane. I doubt it would be that huge flying to Atlanta. I really doubt that. So, yeah. Tomorrow might be or might not be a little stressful because I basically will be participating remotely. But that's the time when I kind of need like quick answers. And what I noticed about South, that they're very relaxed and very slow there. And I actually love it. It's like we in New York, we got used to this rhythm. And they're like, it's okay, you know. Yeah, I'll get you what you need. Not immediately, but I'll get it to you, so don't worry, you know. So, yeah, that'll be my day tomorrow. Regarding today, yeah, I really can tell you that sleeping 5 hours instead of 3 really makes a difference. Really huge difference. Can you imagine what kind of difference it would be if I sleep 8 hours? That would be probably magical. Probably, yeah. And it's like an obvious thing, but I noticed today there is this woman that I follow. She's a really great, like, scientist. I'd call her scientist, researcher. She really kind of digs deep into like ingredient lists of cosmetics, and I'm a cosmetics junkie. I have a lot, like makeup and cosmetics. I need it. It's like I literally need every little jar I have. I feel comfortable when I have a lot. If I have just like a little bit, and I don't have anything that will come like after this jar when I run out of it. It's just I can't like finish one and go get another one. No, I need to have like 25. Then I'm fine. Then I feel that, you know, my basics basically are covered. So she is someone who I read or listen to sometimes. Like I'll really like listen her lectures before when I knew less than I know now, but she digs into like ingredients, everything. So she had her third baby recently, and my God, remember me talking how it really reflects on the way women look when they don't sleep, they don't rest, they're stressed out. And I understand kids are a great joy, but women don't sleep, women don't rest. It's a huge stress for the body. And if earlier, like she had like a little kid, what, like 2 years ago or a year ago, and then she had another one, so she basically has a toddler and a newborn right now. Like, and her older son he goes to school, so he's kind of not like low maintenance, but less maintenance. But those two, they just like hang on her. And earlier, since she is such a pro in all the ingredients, she knew what to use in her face, so she always looked great. And now I noticed that it really showed up, like she doesn't sleep enough. She's exhausted. Even though, you know, like her behavior, she tries to be this like, yeah, you know, like energized woman. I can do everything. Like 2 kids, 3 kids, who cares? Like job, home, like anything. I'm this superwoman. But you look at her, you look into her eyes, and you understand that like she's exhausted. She needs rest. Because, you know, those eyes, it's just, how would I describe it? They're like a little bit crazy. You know, eyes of a crazy person who kind of like, I know what's going on, but am I sure of what's going on? Like, you know, the world around, it's like I'm trying to keep my eyes open so they don't close. It's just so weird. But I realized, like, this is it. Like, this really shows. And I have no baby, but I basically do the same thing to myself with not sleeping. And I thought, like, oh, wow, this is what I looked like when I didn't sleep. And this is what I look like when I don't sleep. Like, this absolutely crazy eyes. Probably like being on coffee also contributes to this crazy look. Like, oh my God. And yeah, of course it manifests on like like skin condition, hair condition, everything. That's why I'm so like trying to fix it. It's going hard. It's going crazy hard. But it's going. And when on Saturday I finally will be able to sleep with no alarm. Looking forward to that day so much. Really so freaking much. I'm so tired. Oh. Oh wow. Isn't that fun how we rediscover obvious things for us, for ourselves? Oh, look what I found in my papers. Remember when I was this fashion show attendee, Vogue editor? That's from that one. I thought I took everything out, and then I woke up in the morning and found it in my hair. So yeah, that's from that set. Like, this whole thing is from that set. Okie doke. I hope you all had a great, what was it, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Well, technically today already, because it's 12:56. So, yeah, we made it till the end of the week. We made it. Yay. Okay, have fun on Friday night. My fun hopefully will be sleeping, or maybe reading, or I have to prepare for the auditions, and I have to order to print a headshot. Yeah, I need to print that one. Yeah, it's like, it happens so rarely now, those physical photos, but yeah, I need to order that. Oh my god. Okie doke. Have fun tomorrow night and during the weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for listening. Bye. I hope you're staying warm there, because we're freezing here.